Hey there, culinarians! Welcome back to Cooking at Home with BellaLafay, your go-to spot for all things food, flavor, and feeling fabulous in the kitchen. Today, we're tackling a topic that hits home for all of us: energy. Whether you're battling afternoon slumps, feeling sluggish throughout the day, or just want to power up, today's episode is all about eating for energy. Let's dive into foods that boost energy and combat fatigue. First up on our energy boosting list are leafy greens. Everyone loves leafy greens for a good reason. I especially love spinach and broccoli. Kale is very popular. Also Swiss chard. They are all packed with iron, which helps your red blood cells transport oxygen throughout your body. If you're low on iron, you might feel drained and fatigued, but these greens have got you covered. One of my favorite ways to sneak in more greens is by sauteing spinach. Some people saute spinach with olive oil and garlic. I like to saute my spinach with soy sauce, onions, olive oil. Olive oil, saute the onions, add in the spinach, fresh spinach. Add in the fresh spinach and drizzle in some soy sauce. That's a perfect side dish that pairs with almost any meal. Iron boost, check. Next on the list are nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are all fantastic sources of magnesium, a mineral that plays a key role in converting food into energy. Plus, they provide healthy fats that fuel your body for the long haul. Here's a quick energy boosting snack idea. Blend some almonds with a few dates for a delicious no-bake energy bite. Perfect for when you need a pick-me-up during the day. Now let's talk about fruits. Fruits like bananas, berries, perfect for smoothies, right? Oranges are a natural candy. They're packed with natural sugars, fiber, and antioxidants. These carbs give you a quick energy boost without the crash you get from processed sweets. My go-to energy booster is a banana berry smoothie. Just blend a banana, some frozen berries. I usually try strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and a handful of spinach and almond milk. This is a powerhouse of energy that keeps me going all morning long. And before we go any further, let's not forget one of the simplest and most effective energy boosters out there: water. Dehydration is one of the biggest culprits behind fatigue, so make sure you're drinking enough water throughout the day. I have a water, where's my phone? I'm using it to tape this video, but I have a app on my phone that sends a notification. I think it's every hour, so it reminds me to drink water because I stay dehydrated. So make sure you're drinking enough water throughout the day. A squeeze of lemon or some cucumber slices can give it a refreshing twist. Finally, let's talk about protein-packed foods. Foods like salmon, eggs, and quinoa give you sustained energy. They're rich in vitamin B, which helps your body convert food into fuel. Plus, the protein keeps you full and satisfied, avoiding those energy dips between meals. I love making a simple salmon dish with quinoa. It's light but packed with nutrients that will keep you energized for hours. Plus, omega-3s are in salmon and they're great for brain health. So keep in mind so your mind stays sharp. So whether you're battling the 3 p.m. slump or just want to feel more energized throughout the day, these foods are the perfect way to fuel your body naturally. Remember, eating for energy is all about balance. Load up on fresh, whole foods, stay hydrated, and keep those healthy fats and proteins in rotation. Here's to boosting your energy and feeling amazing. Thanks for joining me on today's episode of Cooking at Home with BellaLafay. Thanks for tuning in today. Let me know in the comments what you'd love to see next. Or if you have any nutrition questions. I'd love to hear how my recipes work for you. So share your thoughts and experiences. Make sure to subscribe. Okay, I'll give you a second. There you go. And if you found this video helpful, share it with a friend. If you're ready to bring some of these nutrition tips into your kitchen, head over to my recipe videos for easy, healthy meals you can try at home.